In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cannot build in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to not being able to build in Fortnite. As you can see, I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the method that I'm going to show you is going to apply for every single platform, including console. So you will be able to just follow my steps, and it should fix your issues in any platform where you are playing Fortnite. So all that you have to do is either from the home screen, the lobby, or if you are inside of a game, go over to the options, and in here, go down to the menu and settings. Now, when you access the settings, you have to go over to controller mapping. So all the way to the right, you will be able to find controller mapping, or for whatever reason, if you are on keyboard and mouse, go to keyboard controls instead. All that you have to do is choose a different preset and then go back to your original one. So let's say, for example, you usually play on Builder Pro or you have a custom layout. All that you have to do is switch it over to anything else. So switch it to Combat Pro, for example. Make sure that you apply the changes. So for me, I have to press the Y button, as you can see at the bottom right, but for you, this might be different. Regardless, just make sure that you apply. With this applied, you can go over to another menu and switch back, and now you can switch over to the original preset that you are using, such as Builder Pro or Custom, with the keybinds that you've made. As soon as you make the switch where you apply a different one and then you go back to your original one, you should now be able to build and do actions as usual. It seems like it is a glitch attributed to the actions or the keybinds that you have. So by doing this in the mapping settings, you will be able to change it very easily, and you can set it to custom, and you will now be able to build as usual and play as you wish. It is a bug that happens periodically, and it has a very simple fix, as you saw here. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cannot build in Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.